Assalamu alaikum. What are the blessings of performing wudu, the ablution, the Islamic blessings as well as the scientific benefits of wudu? In Islam, it is a condition to be in the state of wudu in order to offer our salah and also to touch the Quran. Sayyidi Uthman radiyallahu an, he mentions that our Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam has said, whoever performs wudu and does so well, the sins will leave their body even from under the nails. In Bukhari, we find another hadith in which our Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam has said, on the day of Qiyamah, on the day of judgment, my ummah will be called fully radiant with lights from the traces of wudu. Whoever from amongst you can increase the radiance, let him do so. Meaning, whoever can do more wudu to increase that bright nur that lights on the day of Qiyamah should do so. We also find in another hadith, our Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam has said, when a person offers wudu, the sins of the hands, they are washed away until the last drop of water. When a person washes his face, the sins of the eyes, they are washed away until the last drop of water. And when a person washes his feet, the sins of the feet are washed away until the last drop of water. We commit many sins unknowingly and also knowingly. We must offer our wudu as much as we can to rid ourselves from these sins, but also to go and offer our salah, which is fard upon us. Let's go over some of the scientific benefits of offering wudu. Nasal inhalation, when we draw water up into our nostrils. What is the benefit of doing so? By doing this 5 times daily and repeating it, this eliminates 60% of bacteria, harmful bacteria that can be found in our nostrils. This eliminates dust, allergens and contaminated materials. Scientific research proves that doing wudu, this is a form of Islamic psychotherapy. Those individuals who do wudu 5 times a day at least, they have better quality sleep than those individuals who do not do wudu. Wudu cleanses and replenishes our skin. On average, 500 to 1000 different types of bacteria can be found on the human skin. Wudu is an effective way to get rid of any type of harmful bacteria that could cause harm to our body. Washing our face during wudu is the best way in rejuvenating and enhancing the complexion of our skin. Don't do wudu for the scientific benefits. Rather do wudu so that you can go and offer your salah, so you can be obedient to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When you do so, everything else comes into place. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala begins blessing you in many different ways. But if your intention is solely to attain the scientific benefits, then you will be a big loser. As always, I humbly request that you like and share the contents of this channel. If you have not yet done so, subscribe to this channel. Stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.